Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day to my dear educators, teachers, and my fellow audience. The name given is Nuur Heydi Akmal binti Muhammad Firas Kamal from Sekolah Menengah Sains, Said Sheh Shahabudin, code number PEE0051. So today I am going to talk about global warming. So as we all know, the Earth we live right now show many signs of worldwide climate change. The definition of global warming is an increasing in the average temperature of the lower atmosphere. That is why the global warming is happening and is happening for a very long time due to human doing. Global warming is real. Global warming is severe. Global warming is something that we should fear. So who and what can we do to stop it? Who or what is causing the temperature to increase? Scientists says the average temperature has climbed to 1.4 degrees Fahrenheit around the world since 1980. In the last 2 decades, it has been the hottest in 400 years. We humans are causing the effect of our Earth's temperature to rise. Ice cap, glacier, and Arctic area in Alaska are feeling the effect the most. We are causing the ozone layers to thin, letting the UV ray pouring carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, causing the increase of heat to the Earth's lower atmosphere. Global warming? Yes. Societies from all over the world say that humans had caused the planet warming. Human activities definitely contribute to global warming because carbon emissions from cars, which we use every day, factories, and other sources all contribute anthropogenic and the greenhouse effect of the atmosphere. Factories are putting pollutions in our air that we breathe, making it stuffy and high in the biosphere. As we all know, deforestation is causing problems to our atmosphere as well. The workers are cutting trees that actually help slow the global warming because trees are taking in carbon dioxide that we exhale and other chemicals that release by the factories to the atmosphere and produce oxygen to breathe and help equalize the heat of atmosphere. Even our own transportation that getting us around are contribute global warming as well. Gases from cars, airplane, train, buses, and other are releasing polluted gases into the air, heating up the ozone layers that help the sunlight and UV ray penetrate to the earth. We are recording the hottest days and decades ever. It only gets worse from here if you don't stop it now. The primary cause of global warming is fossil fuels. Human beings are being addicted to burning them, which produces coal, oil, greenhouse gases, and many more. The power plants, cars, and industries produce carbon dioxide, which stays in the atmosphere for almost like 5 decades or maybe more. This is the reason why the temperature of the Earth rises. Due to the rise in temperature, the oceans are rising as the ice are Due to the rise in temperature, the oceans are rising and the coral reefs are dying. Many aquatic species are going extinct while the glaciers are melting. You will be surprised to know that Greenland is losing 20% more mass than it receives from new snowfall. Thus, it will keep shrinking as the earth warms. Moreover, extreme weather patterns are for everyone to see. The heat waves, droughts, floods are now taking place with greater intensity and frequency. The The time now is to do something to prevent global warming. Otherwise, it will be irreversible. Electricity and transportation, as I mentioned just now, contribute largely to global warming. So we must begin there. It is important to note that there is no silver bullet, and we must all come together to tackle global warming as a whole. Every home, business, country, individual effort is required to tackle this crisis. As coal produces tons of carbon dioxide annually, we need to find ways to clean up coal. We can also tackle global warming by beginning with putting agriculture in the system. We must encourage farmers to adapt to greener farming practices. For instance, they must till land less often and plant trees on vacant land. In short, all of us must realize the fact that our earth is not feeling well. It needs treatment, and we can help it heal. The present generation must take up the responsibility of stopping global warming in order to prevent the suffering of the future generations. Therefore, every little step, no matter how small, carries a lot of weight and is quite significant in stopping global warming. I think that's all for me for today. Thank you for lending me your ear to hear my speech. Thank you again and have a good day.